We're doing 8.5, number 19. We need to rationalize the denominator of 3a over the fifth root of 8a to the 8th, b to the 16th. So what we need to do is take each one of these parts here and multiply them by something that'll be a perfect fifth root. So for 8, if I multiply it by 4, then I'll get 32, which is the perfect, you can take a perfect fifth root and it's 2. So the fifth root of 32 is 2. For exponents, you just need to have a factor of 5, which would be, the next one up would be 10, so I just need to multiply by a squared. And then when I multiply, the 8 and the 2 get added together to get a to the 10th. Similarly with b to the 16th, if I multiply by b to the 4th power, I'll get b to the 20th, which is also a factor of 5. Okay. Let me just try to... Alright, so we're going to take the problem and multiply by what we just had there. So we want to multiply by the fifth root of all that because that's the only way we can actually multiply those together. Alright, so on the top there's not much going on there. Just put them together. Can't actually combine anything because the 3a is not in a fifth root. But the bottom, when I multiply 8 by 4, I get 32. And a to the 8th times a squared is a to the 10th. And we also get b to the 20th. Alright, now we simplify. So the fifth root of 32 is 2. Fifth root of a to the 10th is a squared. And the fifth root of b to the 20th is b to the 4th power. And then you'll notice we have an a up here and an a down here, so we're going to cancel 1 with 1. And finally we get 3. The fifth root of 4a squared b to the 4th all over 2a b to the 4th. Oh, I wrote the problem down wrong, I just realized. Okay, so we'll make an adjustment. The original problem should have been b to the 12th. So we put a 12 here, then we'd be multiplying by b to the 3rd to get to b to the 15th. So then this also needs to be a 12 here, and a 3 here, 3 here. The steps would be the same regardless, but I just want to make sure I use the same problem that the student gave me. 3 here, and then this is to the 15th. Because 3 plus 12 is 15. 3 here, and then this will also be a 3. So I apologize for that, writing the problem down incorrectly. Oops. So the final answer is 3 times the fifth root of 4a squared b cubed over 2ab cubed.